In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom echo during call problems. If you're hearing an echo in Zoom, or other people are hearing their own voice played back during a meeting, the good news is that this is usually caused by a simple audio setting or device issue. In most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. Start by opening Zoom and signing into your account. Click your profile icon, then go into Settings and select Audio. Here, take a moment to confirm that the correct microphone and speaker are selected. If Zoom is using the wrong input or output device, it can easily create sound problems, including echo. Next, connect a pair of headphones or a headset if you have one available. This is one of the most effective fixes because it prevents your microphone from picking up sound coming out of your speakers. Speaker playback getting re-recorded by your mic is one of the most common causes of echo during calls. If you're not using headphones, try lowering your computer or external speaker volume. When the volume is too loud, your microphone may capture that sound and send it back into the meeting, which creates that repeating echo effect. During the meeting, remember to mute yourself whenever you're not speaking. This helps cut down on background noise and also reduces the chance of unwanted audio feedback, especially in shared or noisy environments. You should also check Zoom's built-in audio processing tools. In Settings and then Audio, enable background noise suppression if it's available. You can usually set it to auto or high depending on your environment. This can help Zoom reduce extra sounds that may interfere with your call quality. Another important thing to check is whether you've joined the same meeting on more than one nearby device with audio turned on. If you have, that can definitely cause echo. Leave the audio connected on just one device or mute the other completely. It's also a good idea to update Zoom to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and audio improvements, so running the newest version can solve issues you might not expect. If the problem continues, close Zoom fully and restart your computer or mobile device. Then rejoin the meeting and test your audio again. After that, go back into Settings, open Audio, click Test Mic, and speak normally. Play the recording back and listen carefully to see if the echo is still there. Finally, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes create audio problems that sound like echo. If possible, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or use a wired Ethernet connection. And one last tip: if the echo only happens in one specific meeting, the issue may actually be coming from another participant's microphone or speakers. In that case, ask them to use headphones or lower their speaker volume.